So this is the sound test of my GTI 35 Edition with Arrez Delete. Well, that's how it sounds. Hopefully that's came across well. That was extremely nippy. You can hear the DSG farts, which, of course, because this is an older car, it's a 2012, you don't have those emission guidelines that came in 2019. So, you know, you have that much rougher sound, and it honestly sounds beautiful. We may have another cheeky pull-in coming. Do you know, that's the one thing with this car, since I've got the Arrez Delete, it's just so much more fun. Oh, that sounds beautiful. But what do you guys think of it? Please leave a like and comment your thoughts, and follow the Mr. Fire channel if you haven't already. I plan to be making a lot more content now that the summer period is upon us, so yeah, I would love to have you in the community. Ooh, I might have a chance of a little pull here too. Oh, I do!